Just rescued these ducks over here. Ava, come show us the ducks. And I bandaged up the broken arm. Mama was killed by a car. And we saved them. Are you happy?
He's happy.
Yeah.
Are you talking to him?
No, we're making a video. We're showing people the ducks that we rescued. And this one right here, he's got a broken wing and it's up in the joint, right up against his stomach. And we searched on the internet what to do. And we wrapped up its arm with a bandage and some gauze and some like tape bandage. And at first he was shaking the whole time for about 2 hours. And now he's up and walking around. He just can't, he doesn't have his balance because one wing's tied up. You did a good job tying it up. Right, baby ducky? Show us the duck. All right, put it by its baby brother. Right there. No, oh no, put it down. Don't pick that one up. Don't pick him up because he's hurt. Nobody picks him up. All right, and then we built this for him. It took about a couple hours. Nice little house for him to live in. And when they're both about 2 or 3 months old, they can fly away and go on their own. Where are you going? Is that your baby duck? Oh, put it down though. You're holding it wrong. Put it down. Put it down. It's okay. Just put him down. Put him down next to his brother.
Oh, there we go.
I think they'll be fine. Give it about 2 weeks and he'll be all healed up.
What were you doing on the farm?
Change the bandage once every 3 days if you guys want to know how to do this.
Did you add